Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these cards are for your general energies, Leos. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Leos, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy, so that reading may clear some doubts you may have or answer some questions in your circumstances, so you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Ace of Spheres, Seven of Suns, and Six of Moons in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are thinking about something. You are thinking about what has happened or what was the reason for some situation you are facing today in your life. You are worried about something, maybe in your situation, in your career or in your personal life. You are facing some difficulties, maybe some negative circumstance in your career, or it may be some worries you are having today about this love. So you are thinking about the past, what was the reason, what was the beginning of this problem. So you are worried about something that has already happened in your life, and you are talking to people close to you. You want to change the situation, and you are trying your best. You are working hard. You are a dedicated person, so you are trying to change the way situation is going, doing your best, trying to resolve your problems in your career, or it may be your energy in this relationship. So you are trying your best to resolve your relationship, change the way things are going today. And maybe you need to, if you want some good changes, you need to look forward in your life and do not think of the past. So whatever was the reason, for this pain or sadness, you need not worry about that. You need not brood over the past. Past may make you sad, make you more anxious and troubled. It may confuse you, and it is better you see your situation from a different perspective. See your situation, what is the present situation, instead of worrying about something that has happened, because you are powerless to make any changes in your past. But if you can do something about your present, it is going to change your future. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. It's Hanged Man in reverse. So you have faced a lot of difficult circumstances. Things were not going in the right way, but today you need to stop thinking in circles, going over and over again, thinking about the same thing, and maybe blaming is not going to help you. So it may be your energy or their energy. Maybe they are blaming you for everything, or you are blaming them for everything that has happened. So that is not going to help you in any way. So if you want a beautiful change today, you must think differently and respond differently in your relationship. So in your career situation, Leos, we have one card, So you may have offers coming in your life, opportunities, three of moons. So you need to be wise, be wise enough to choose something good. And in your career, maybe if you were seeing some difficulties in your past, today you are changing, you are healing, you are seeing success, you will be celebrating something, celebrating a new offer or a new opportunity that has come to you in your work circumstances. So that is the energy here with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming right now, Leos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here today. So this is the first card and this is your second card. You can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, I will keep this second card aside. We will see what is the first card. For those who chose this card, it is the poisoned apple, jealousy. So it means that in your circumstances, you are the target of jealousy. There are people against you, people who are very much jealous of you, and their intentions are not good. Maybe they are trying to tempt you with some offers in your life, tempting you into some difficult circumstance. And maybe these offers may look like something beautiful, something amazing. But if you fall for your temptation, you are going to face many difficulties. But even if you have fallen for some temptation today, you need not fear these circumstances. Because this experience is going to help you. It is going to give you more knowledge. It is going to give you wisdom. And the pain you will go through today in this situation because you have fallen for this temptation is going to lead you into a beautiful journey where you are going to grow emotionally, you are going to grow spiritually, and you will be able to see your circumstances with more clarity, with more knowledge. So you need not feel sad or stressed though you are fallen for this temptation, or you have fallen for this temptation. And you will succeed. You will come out much better person tomorrow, much better person in your life. But you need to believe in yourself. And maybe present circumstances are not good, but still you are going to see beautiful changes very soon, starting from now. So that is the energy here with this card. So let us see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have Seraphos Green Quartz. This is a very beautiful and a rare quartz, guys. And with this quartz, the energy is that maybe you are pushing yourself to achieve something, pushing yourself to see some changes in your life. But today you are left with no desire to march on towards your expectations, but ready to accept what is coming towards you in your life, what is coming towards you in your circumstances. So this moment should be experienced just as it is, because this moment is going to bring clarity in your relationship. So being honest with certain things you can change, and certain things where you are powerless to change, you need to accept it as it is. When you do that, it is a big step taking you towards what you desire and what you deserve. So be present. If you are feeling sad, let it be. Experience that pain, go through all that, whatever comes in your life, because you are in for something bigger. Some bigger picture is unfolding in your life, and this picture is something you never imagined and you can never imagine. So universe is coming with a blessing towards you. Maybe you are going through a lot of pain today, but this situation is absolutely necessary for what is coming in your life in your future. So that is the energy here. So there is no need or no use to change your present circumstance. So that is the energy here with this card for y'all today. That is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.